To replace the Lito Remote, the first thing we need to do is unplug the chair. Next, we will tip it over onto its left-hand side. And then we'll use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cable guide that secures that cable in place at the bottom of the right-hand side panel. Okay, then we can reach in and disconnect the connector that has the white label, which is the farthest right connector, and then remove the remote from the chair. Then we can orient the connector plug, with the wider side on top, install the connector securely into the socket. Then we can align that cable guide with the hole on the bottom of the right-hand side panel and replace the screw to secure it. Okay, then we can pull that canvas back up over the cabling and return the chair to the upright position. Okay, then we can plug in the chair and we're done.